Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, hello, welcome. My name is Jasenia, and in today's occasion I want to show you how to make some delicious mac and cheese made right at home and in no time at all. You want to begin by adding in your elbow pasta with sufficient water to cover, and you want to set that water to boil first at medium to high heat. Once it's boiled, that's when you'll go ahead and add in your pasta and add in the 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and go ahead and stir. I do add oil to my water to prevent sticking as well. Once you've added in your oil, go ahead and stir. And on another note, you'll want to set 3 tablespoons of salted butter into your pan and go ahead and allow that to melt a little bit before adding in the teaspoon of all-purpose flour. Of course, you want to mix the two until fully dissolved, just like this. Next, you want to take 2 cups of half and half milk or heavy cream and go ahead, mix this together. In this case, I used half and half. Once that is fully combined, feel free to add in a 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 a teaspoon of garlic powder, and go ahead and mix. Take your bag of cheddar jack cheese, which is equivalent to 2 cups, and go ahead and pour all of that in there and go ahead and mix to allow this cheese to melt. And your sauce should start looking something like this. It'll, of course, thicken with a little bit of time there. At this point, you can go ahead and add the additional 1/2 cup of mild cheddar cheese, either in cubes or shredded, or you can add it into the pasta itself. Either one works. Returning back to the pasta, you want to ensure that it's fully boiled. Of course, cut through it and make sure that it's fully done. But once it is, go ahead and drain out the majority of the water in the pasta and go ahead and add in your cheese melt. Of course, stir in and allow to continue to simmer on the stove. Feel free to stir occasionally and add in the additional 1/2 cup of mild cheddar cheese and stir until fully melted. Just a reminder, of course, your mac and cheese will thicken up, and that is why that you do want to leave it with a little bit of liquidy sauce. But this is what it should look like. It's perfect to pair with some mashed potatoes and steak or baked loaded potato, whatever you would like. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, Please subscribe to this growing YouTube family and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.